The top-mounted roller shutter is attached to the window with a metal rail. To facilitate insertion of this rail, chamfer the upper corners of the window frame and then remove any burrs. Insert the metal rail into the guide for about 10 centimeters. Now, put on the roller shutter box and fully insert the metal rail. Then you can fix the fish plates on both sides. Next are the rails. The guide rails are fixed to the frame with screw clamp nipples. First, copy the clamping joint dimensions to the frame and screw in the nipples accordingly. Now the rails are just snapped on. Fix the belt winder with screws at the desired height. Now you can add the belt.